Welcome to episode 4. This is our final episode from season 1. I hope you enjoyed it so far. If you're new to my channel's name is Walking on Purpose. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can receive when I post my videos. Comment if you've liked this series so far. Today we're going to the 5th episode. Please, if you have not watched episode 1, 2, 3, and 4, I recommend that you do before you watch this last one so you can understand everything and get the most out of it. And now guys, we're going to our final video of toxic people today. So tip number 1 is that if you want to end a relationship with someone is to basically stop having contact with that toxic person. Slowly but surely. Stop hanging out with them. The more you stop hanging out with them, the farther you can draw from them. Not only that, it depends really on how bad the situation is. If the person is very toxic to the level that you cannot even bear, well, you know, that really depends on how bad it is. But really, it's all about your choice and depending on how you feel. Really, what I would do, I would take either a break or I would just end the relationship with the person, just because, you know, we do not need bad vibes in our life. Someone is to tell them that the way they're acting towards you or their attitude towards you, you don't like it, so you prefer to stop being friends or boyfriend or girlfriend, because you cannot have that type of person around you because it doesn't bring you any good. Sometimes it's very hard for a person to change. I'm not saying that the person cannot change, but it's just harder sometimes. And we can get affected during the process of that person changing because it's not a process that is fast. But also wish them the best and hope for them to, you know, to be able to be more positive and have a more positive outlook in their life, and for them to also find positive people in their life and for them to get better also. You know, before you end a relationship with a person, tell them how they made you feel and the mistakes that you feel that they made towards you, so that they don't commit or do those things in their next relationship and they can become a better person. You know, like they learn a lesson from that if they do decide to take on what you're saying to them. Because I believe that if you tell people, you know, how you feel or, you know, mistakes that you see, some mistakes, like, and you make them notice them, they can get better and maybe they will change. It's all up to that person. Okay guys, that was it for today's video and for the season 1 till episode 5. Really hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, hit the notification bell so you can receive when I post my videos. And I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you want me to keep doing stuff like this, like seasons and episodes about a specific topic, you just let me know in the comment below. Remember to walk on purpose. Thank you for the support, and that's all for today. Follow me on Instagram also.